County Sheriff's Office, K-9 unit. Exit the residence now with your hands up or you will get bit. Anthony. He said he's coming.
You want to back up then?
Yeah. Hold on. Stop right there. Stop. Face away from me. Face away from me and move to your left. Now that's to the house. Keep coming. Stop. Hands up. Hands up!
Okay, we don't want you to get there, man. Just put down the ball. You have a warrant. Put down the ball.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
Watch out. Take it. Come to me now. Where are you? Here. Hold on. Get on the ground now. Get on. On your stomach.
On your stomach.
I'll get him. Give us your hand. Give us your hand. Stop fighting. Stop resisting. I'll cut him off. Here. Grab this one, please.
Got it. Come.
Hold on. Stop moving. I'll get off your hand.
Going up.
Come on. All right, everybody be quiet.
Watch yourself, buddy.
She's out here.
Oh man, those dogs get the shit out of me.
Shouldn't have resisted and ran.
You knew the dog was gonna bite me. And I literally asked my mom why you guys wanted to run the dog through the house, which you should have told her to tell me. I have a warrant for my arrest. And I would have came.
You came, I told you you had a warning, you ran back in.